Hey guys, I will show you how to fix your mic problem on a PS5 for the controller. So in the first step, you need to simply go to the settings and choose sound option from here. Then just go down to microphone and select the input device. So you need to set the proper input device from here, that is microphone on controller. Now from the adjust microphone level, you need to speak into the microphone and adjust the level so that the input volume is in the good range. And for the microphone on controller, we need to simply set this up to the 100%. Just go back. Then from the microphone status, when logged in, you need to simply turn on this option and then press the PS button from the controller and just go to the game base and again press option button from the controller and select go to game base option. Now select the fourth option, that is game base settings, and from the voice chat settings we need to simply share your voice to allow and then share chat connection to auto. Once done, just press the PS button again and go for the mic option, unmute here and set the proper input device from here. Also you can go for the sound and set controller speaker up to the 100%, unmute game voice chat and set music and video up to the 100%. After that, simply restart the PS5 and your problem will be fixed. You're good to go.